Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to remove dust out of this lens. We are talking about the Sigma 150 500mm. It was given to me by my friend Fred to repair it, and it belongs to a friend of his who has been using it for a really long time, and the lens now is in poor condition. You see here it wiggles a bit. This I'm going to repair in this video here, but right now we are going just to take care of the dust in this lens. So let me show you. Okay, so here I'm shining some light and you can see all the specks of dust that are inside of the lens. If I try to blow, nothing happens, because all these are on the inside of the lens. So what we're going to do now is to disassemble the lens. This is extremely simple, and to do so, let me just move to 500mm position, and what you see here is that there are several screws around, and if we remove them, we will be able to remove the front and then have access to the lens that is also here. So let's go. I take my J000 screwdriver, and before removing the last screw, what I recommend to do, even though there is a mark here already, is do your own mark. I made mine in here. Okay, and with the last screw gone, we get this so we can have access to this element here, and here we will be able to remove some dust. Put this aside, and then here on this element this is where we have the most dust. We will be able to clean it straight away. So what I'm going to do is just to get what I need to clean the lens, and we meet in a few seconds. So the cleaning of this lens is going to be extremely simple. What we are going to do is just to blow air using this blower that I have here, and in case your lens needs something more important in terms of cleaning, you can take a look at this video here where I show you how to clean a lens, or if your lens has fungus, you can take a look at this video here. Okay, so let's do the cleaning. This is going to be extremely simple and quick. And now let's just take a look, and then here you go, lens is clean. So we do the same exercise on this side. We cover for the time being. So you saw what I did. Okay, the focusing was very poor. I just block here the air, dust is gone. I can cover this, and we are done with the cleaning. So now we are going to reassemble the lens. So let me arrange this a bit and we meet immediately. We are ready to reassemble the lens. While I was manipulating the lens, I had these washers that fell out of the lens, so I keep them outside because it's a good example to show you. They go here, so, and then they give the right distance of this lens with respect to the rest, and there is a guide, a pin, so it is all holes are made regularly, and then there is this hole in the middle, and this is where this pin goes. So that's for that. And then the next thing I'm going to do is to look for the mark I made. Okay, I have it here. So you should look for the mark you made yourself, and then here we align, and then this is going to help you with aligning the holes. So then the first thing I would like to do is not very easy to do, so I just move the thing all the way up, and then what I want to do is to put one screw just to make sure I am aligned. So I put one on one side, then I take the next one, and then I am doing it this way because if I put only one screw, when I'm going to manipulate the lens, is going to wiggle a bit, and then I'm afraid of maybe damaging the screw or the thread. So now here is holding correctly by these two screws I put. So I just tighten them. So I know my lens is secure right now, and then I can proceed to put the remaining screws. Okay, and then if this makes your life easier, you can lose this thing so this foot is able to rotate. Okay, so we are good, and then just for the sake of it, let's just clean here, and then we take a look, see how clean it looks now. Okay, so the next thing I have to do with this lens is to fix this wiggly bayonet, but this we're going to do in another video that I already showed the link to it. So this is all. See you next time.